Everyone, I'm so excited to make this very delicious meal. My recipe for today is potato, carrot, beef, tomato stew with rice. Yummy! Let's cook. Prep all your ingredients. Chop all your carrots into big bite size and set it aside. Heat up your pot, boil your water for your rice, wash and pour in your rice to cook. Boil your potatoes. I am leaving out the very big one for my garnishing. It's time to pan fry the marinated beef. Heat your pan, drizzle a bit of oil, add your beef and flip till you get that brown color. Then add your garlic, sliced onions, and next you add in your carrots. Mix together. And it's tomato mix. Mix till when it all fries together. Let the flavor come out. Add all your spices and bouillon cubes. Add a bit of water to loosen the tomato mix. Just look at that color. Pour in your boiled potatoes and water. Mix it. Add your spring onions. Cover and let the stew fry together. And finally, it's done. Let me quickly make my garnish. Just slice your potatoes. Then, with your knife, cut it into very thin strips. Rinse in ice cubes, then pat dry, fry, and your potato topper is ready. It's time to serve. Come closer. Can you see? For me, it's a 10 over 10. I'm sure you agree with me. That's how you should always enjoy every one of your meals. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more healthy, creative recipes. Thank you.